Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import font in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have already opened Canva, and if you want to import your own font to Canva, you need to have Pro account guys. So you need to subscribe to Canva, and if you're in a Canva team, you need to be the administrator. And if you're just a member, you won't be able to import font to Canva. And I'm going to show you two methods you can try to import your font. The first one, you can go to the brand, okay, right here. And then you need to click on the three dots and click on add brand kit to a folder. Okay, and I'm going to add this brand kit to this folder. Okay, oops, this folder already contains a brand kit, and then you can click on the brand kit, and here you will see font. And if you have premium user, you will see plus icon here, but I'm in a Canva team guys, and I'm not the administrator, so I can't upload or import font to Canva. But if you have premium user or you the administrator of the Canva team, you will see plus icon here. And the second one, you're going to go to your design. Wait, let me go back to the home page of Canva, and I'm going to pick a random design. Okay, and if you want to upload your font, just go to the tags, any tags, and go to the font, and at the bottom you will see upload font, but here I can't see because I'm not the administrator of my Canva team. So if you want to import font, the first one, you need to have Pro account. If you have Pro account but you're in a team, you need to be the administrator, or you can ask the administrator to allow you to import font. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import font to Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!